Okay, let me show you the tool that most of the professionals in this industry use. I've worked with thousands of clients over the years, and this tool has been a total game changer. It lets you review your credit, it lets you handle disputes directly in its software, and it includes money management tools that make improving your credit and saving money so much easier. There's a small monthly cost, but it is worth every penny because it pays for itself many times over. What I'm gonna do is walk you through it. I'm gonna switch to my computer and walk you through everything it has in it and just show you a brief overview and show you how to sign up on it. When you open this page, you're gonna see your credit score right in the middle. Once you start sliding down, you'll see some credit card offers. Contact me before you decide on one and I'll help you choose the right one. Then you'll see your Smart Credit Report. You'll see your 3-in-1 report. Then you'll see your Privacy Masters, which will actually get your name off the black web and all the information they have out there on you, which is highly suggested. It doesn't cost you anything. It comes with the report and the tools of the report. When you keep sliding down, you're going to see your money manager. Go through there, fill it out completely. I suggest you do everything inside of Smart Credit just so you have everything together. Set up all the alerts, set up everything in there because it's going to make you more literate with your own credit and your own finances. And if you keep sliding down to the bottom, you're going to see your $1 million identity fraud insurance. You'll actually call me and I'll help you get that set up. Now we're going to go into the score tracker part. All you do is click the button with the arrows next to it. Once you click into your score tracker, you're going to see your credit score. You'll see your auto score, which car dealers use and car lenders use, your insurance score, and then your hiring risk index is going to be in there. And you can track those. Slide down the page a little and you'll actually see the tracking month to month of where your score is going. Now we'll go into the score builder section, which is right there by the arrow. One of the things to know about the score builder section is it works on a 120-day cycle, and you set up a goal score. Once you get that goal score set up, it's going to tell you how to achieve it by fixing things that are hurting you on your credit report. After your goal score is set up, you go ahead and look at what's helping you and try to keep those type things on your report. Then click on what's hurting you, and it'll show you the accounts that are hurting you. If you actually click on the account, it'll tell you what about that account is hurting you. Then if you look at the top of the item, it'll give you 4 options to fix the account, whatever the problem is. Then it'll keep a history of what you've done, and it'll also send you alerts when you get responses back from the lender. So go ahead and set up all your alerts. Then it's going to take you to a section that says what happens next, and it'll tell you what your next steps are. Now we're going to click on the score boost section. Just click beside the arrow. What this section is going to tell you is what your future score can be if you pay a certain amount on your credit cards. So if you pay $775 on this account with Credit First, it will actually bring your score up 22 points. Then you have your Smart Credit Report that's going to tell you all your positive items, all your negative items, and you can do all your disputes in there just like you could in the Credit Builder. I just prefer to do them in the Credit Builder. The nicest part about Smart Credit is the fact that they are sending off this stuff by portal to these lenders, so you don't have to spend $10 a piece of mail every time you mail it to the lenders. So you will save about double what you are being charged monthly in just the mail cost and the certified mail cost. If you have any questions, please just put them in the comments and we'll try to answer them as soon as possible for you. Or you can shoot me a direct message at yourcredittoolbox@gmail.com. Putting a link to a 7-day trial in the comments for Smart Credit and all its tools. If you found some value in this video, please like, subscribe, and get notified.